Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Emily and today we are diving into how to use filters on YouTube Shorts. So without any delay, let's get started. So first you need to go to your YouTube application and then tap on the plus icon right there in the bottom. So just tap on it. After that you'll be able to tap on the options of down in the right side. Then you get to choose the option of filters. So here you have a lot of options in filters from pop, dreamy, soft, anything that best suits your shorts and that would make your videos and your shorts more captivating and beautiful. So here's how you can use filters on YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for updates. That's it for today and see you next time.